Hello, friends. Let me ask you something. You have an idea. You have written your chapters. Your manuscript is ready. But then comes the biggest question: how do I publish my book? Many aspiring authors stop at this stage. They think publishing is complicated. I need a publisher. I don't know the process. I don't know where to start. Because of this confusion, many great books never reach readers. After publishing more than 40 books, I have learned one important lesson. Writing the book is only half the journey. The next important step is learning how to publish it. In today's video, I will share book publishing for beginners, a simple step-by-step process to publish your first book. Whether you want to publish your first book or understand the publishing journey, this video will give you a clear roadmap. Hello friends, I am Dilip Patil. I have spent more than 34 years in the IT industry. For many years, I worked as a technology professional, managing projects, teams and customers. But later in my journey, I discovered another passion: writing and sharing knowledge. Today, I am an author of 40 plus books. My journey from writing my first book to publishing multiple books taught me one important thing. A book is not complete when you finish writing. A book is complete when it reaches the hands of readers. In this video, I will share the practical publishing roadmap that every beginner's author should understand. Before talking about publishing, let us understand the first step. Step 1. Complete and prepare your manuscript. The first requirement for publishing is simple. You need a completed manuscript. Many people want to publish quickly, but publishing an incomplete or unedited book can create problems. Before publishing, review your content, improve your chapters, check grammar and formatting, take feedback from trusted readers. Remember, a good book is not created in the first draft. A good book is created through improvement. During my writing journey, I learned that editing is not about finding mistakes. Editing is about making your message clear for your readers. Once your manuscript is ready, the next decision is how do you want to publish. Step 2. Understand different publishing options. Today, beginners have multiple publishing options. The first option is traditional publishing. In traditional publishing, a publishing company selects your manuscript. They may help with editing, designing, and distribution. But getting selected can be challenging. The second option is self-publishing. Self-publishing gives author more control. You manage book formatting, cover designing, publishing decision, marketing, and the third option is hybrid publishing, a combination of author control and publishing support. Each option has advantages. The right choice depends on your goals. For many first-time authors today, self-publishing has opened new opportunities. Now, let us discuss one of the most important parts. Step 3. Create a professional book package. A book is not judged only by its content. Presentation matters. A professional book needs a strong title, an attractive cover, proper formatting, a clear description, a professional author profile. Remember, Your cover is the first conversation with your reader. Your description is your invitation to read. When I published my book, I understood that writing and presentation both play an important role. Dear friends, I would like to ask you something. Have you ever thought about publishing your own book? If yes, what type of book would you like to publish? A personal story, a professional book, a self-improvement book? Share your thoughts in the comment. And if you enjoy practical lessons from my writing journey, please subscribe to the Success and Growth channel. Now, let us continue. Step 4. Choose your publishing platform. After preparing your book package, you need a publishing platform. Today, digital platforms have made publishing easier. Authors can publish ebook, paper books, print on demand books. This means your book can become available without maintaining large inventory. But remember, publishing is not only clicking a publish button. A successful author also thinks about reader experience, book quality, marketing, long-term visibility. Now comes the step many beginners underestimate. Step 5. Promote your book. Publishing your book is not the end. It is the beginning of sharing your message. Many first-time authors think, I published my book, now readers will automatically come. But books need visibility. You can promote your book through social media, author's website, email newsletters, speaking opportunities, your professional network, your personal brand. I believe every professional should build their knowledge asset. A book is one of the strongest way to demonstrate your experience. Now, let me share the biggest lessons from my publishing journey. Step 6. Think like an author, not only a writer. A writer creates content. An author creates impact. The difference is mindset. Writer asks, how do I finish my book? An author asks, how can my book help someone? When your intention to serve readers, your writing becomes more meaningful. Your book becomes more than pages. It becomes a legacy. If you are planning to publish your first book, remember these steps. Complete your manuscript. Improve your content. Choose the right publishing path. Create a professional book package. Publish strategically. Promote consistently. And most important, believe that your knowledge has value. So my dear friends, every published author started with an unpublished manuscript. Every successful book started with a simple idea. Do not wait for everything to be perfect. Start learning, start writing, start publishing, because your experience, your knowledge, and your story can inspire someone you may never meet. Thank you so much for watching. I am Dilip Patil, wishing you creativity, continuous learning, and the courage to share your knowledge with the world. Until we meet again, take care, keep writing, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you.